Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll like to talk about WIF, dog WIF hat targets updates with my customer set. What's going on now? All right, guys. This chart's on a max. You remember we landed to the 27 block, bounce it. So the most positive case scenario for dog WIF hat, of course, if we go like this one, but I think it will not happen. So I wish to see this drop again to 38 cents. This is going to be the best positive case scenario for the WIF to form like local double bottom with the targets around $2.52, and after that maybe with sold new all-time high, all ecosystem will pump, and when the BTC dominance will be under 55%, maybe we will see the new all-time high like $7.23. So this is the last take for dog WIF hat because this token already performed pretty good one. This is a high capitalization now on this token, and I think some tokens which already perform, maybe they will just sweep the high, form new all-time high, but people who just new on this market, they will build a crazy expectation for this token. You can check the gains of dog WIF hat. This run. I'm talking not about the centralized exchanges, but even on the max, this token already performed like 7,350% gains. So it's kind of good gains, guys. And take a look if we will hit the new all-time high. It's going to be like 10,960% gain. So it's crazy gains, and this token traded before listing on a max. So guys, I highly recommend you build the realistic price targets. Step by step, you can fix the profit when we will bounce and test a 0.5 level by FIP of this one. This was the top support, zero level rejection at 78.86. and collapse it down inside 27 block. People here won't believe, so we will drop ever to these blocks, but we dump it. One day I thought it will be just a test of these equal lows, and the form deviation if it's arranged, but no, 27 zone playing out perfectly well, like usual. So the weekly time frame, guys, I wish to see the next week something like this one. I can be absolutely wrong. Accumulator not, up to you guys. I skip dog WIF hat. I'm not a fan at this market stage to hop into already with that meme tokens which already perform, in that tokens. I'm not a fan of these moves. If you want to gamble with some meme token, better find some on early stage. Take a look, guys, with ADZ direction market motor. Here's this is a distribution from the warranty drop. This was accumulation. Now we are closer to the distribution, not to accumulation. That's a problem, guys. On the direction on a weekly, we just passed the middle line. I wish to see one more dump form like double bottom even on direction on weekly time frame. Now, no crazy positive news for the altcoins. And in the video about BTC, I explained to you in last 18 months, yesterday or this week, we saw the biggest sending altcoins to the exchanges. So basically, it's a or capitulation of retails, or it's some big guys want to dump their backs with new unlocks. People now usually, and they draw the trend lines, find a supports. So probably will form, or this is a triangle and we go higher, but I don't think so. If we will, of course, yes, the next step is $1.96. So up to your own risk to buy now or not. If you want to open trade, for example, you can open trade now at the stop loss like 13% for on a spot, for example. And here at $1.96, fix the 100% profit. Pretty simple. So you invest now like 1K, right, in 130. 1,000 you invest, and $130 you can fix the stop loss if we will drop lower. So up to you guys, of course. So take a look. This is a accumulation, and there's no divergence, guys. I don't think so. Of course, we will dump under 34 cents to form the divergence, something like this one, and something like on the chart from the low of 63 I don't think so. We will see something similar, but basically, guys, better wait, better skip this weekend. But of course, I showed you the targets. If you want to trade, you can open local swing, to the first trouble area. It's $1.96. Locally, on a daily now, we're just around the middle line direction. It was a signals to close position, sell on direction on trading view, just the buybacks. So we need to see some take profit like it was here the last time. Sell, take profit, some consolidation pump. Now I wish to see the same story. Sell around here, take profit, some consolidation, and go higher. So this is what I wish to see in August or maybe September. It's hard to say about timing, guys. Globally, I showed you the last crazy high. It's around $7. So be careful. But for that, guys, it will be the 10,000% gains. For you, it will be around, I guess, 700%, right? If I'm correct. So if you want to accumulate now, yes, 700% from this one. Up to you. Gamble with this token or not. With me talking market mood. Yes. Daily it's a hope. Now, guys, a lot of alts bounce it, and the people once again with the hopium try to feel their back, buy the deep, all of these stupid narratives in crypto. I think we need to wait. The August usually, guys, is not the best month for trades, for scalps, for intraday. For intraday, it's absolutely doesn't matter, right? But I'm better weights. Maybe we'll wait the market mood capitulation zone, and also here we build a pure, like support. No matter what line you will get, pure support. So usually, we not leave the liquidity like this one, and go higher. Usually we come back and grab that liquidity. So just, guys, be careful. Also the monthly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row, green. I can say something. It's bullish, but we already bounced at like 200%, over than 200%. Even now, this is 200%. We bounced at like 346%. So if you accumulate it here inside 27 block, you can withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens. Now I'm better weight. I'm on the sideline. My investment portfolio, guys, format. I'm just wait targets you out, and this is not the good moment to hop in just because of some hype news or some bounce like 5% on a spot, and people rush to open the longs with the high leverages or so. Daily time frame here, the buy line, it's around this low, like actual low, so 64 cents. For my wallet, the stock is 47 cents. 12 time frame here, 64 and 4. For my wallet, it's 48 and 0. So, guys, targets I showed you, monthly time frame. Unfortunately, there is no data for take profit. If the August will be green, yes, this is the next trouble area. First of all, it's a full fill, $1.74 and $1.96. I hope if, for example, we will go higher to this area, I hope we will not see something like this one. This is going to be just a mind-blowing, guys. We will waste. Imagine if on the monthly time frame we will see this one like August, September, October, November, and bounce in this winter. It's crazy. It's craziness. That's why, guys, I wish to see just the next week drop and recover move in September, October, November to new highs. So, guys, all targets I showed you, what my indicator shows, signals and data I showed you. If you would like to trade with my customer said what showed in this video, you write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.